Have regular eye exams. Schedule regular eye exams with an eye doctor to check for any vision problems or potential eye diseases. Protect your eyes from the sun. Always wear sunglasses or a hat to protect your eyes from UV rays when outside. Eat a healthy diet. Consume foods high in nutrients such as vitamin A, C, and E, which are important for maintaining healthy eyes. Quit smoking. Smoking is bad for your overall health, including your eyes. Take breaks from screens. Minimize your time spent staring at screens by taking regular breaks. It's especially important to take breaks and working on a computer or phone for long hours. Blink often. When staring at screens, people tend to blink less, which can cause dry eyes. Blink often to keep your eyes moist. Exercise. Physical activity is beneficial for the eyes as it improves blood circulation and brings nutrient to the eyes. Get adequate sleep. Getting enough sleep is essential for maintaining healthy eyes and a good vision. It's also important to remember that you should see a doctor if you experience any vision problems, or if you notice any changes in your eyesight. They will be able to give you a better diagnosis of any problems and guide you to the appropriate treatment. Remember that maintaining healthy eyesight is a lifelong commitment, so take the time to care for your eyes and make sure to schedule regular eye exams with your eye doctor.